per hour. Thursday, cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday through Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday through Monday, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the mid-40s. Monday night and Tuesday, clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the upper 60s. The coastal waters forecast for the following: coastal waters from Little River Inlet to Myrtle's Inlet, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 10:33 p.m. Small craft advisory in effect through Wednesday morning. Overnight, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northeast 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 feet, building to 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Thursday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers. Thursday night, north winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. A chance of showers in the evening. Friday, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Friday night, northeast winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. A chance of showers. Saturday, north winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. A chance of showers through the day. Sunday, north winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. The offshore waters forecast for the following: Cape Fear to 31 north from 20 nautical miles to 1,000 fathoms. Issued at 10:26 p.m. Gale force winds possible Friday. Tonight, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Isolated showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday, north to northeast winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday night, northeast winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, north to northeast winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms. Thursday night, north to northeast winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Friday, northeast winds 20 to 30 knots, increasing to 25 to 35 knots. Seas 7 to 12 feet. Friday night, east to northeast winds 35 to 45 knots. Seas 9 to 16 feet. Saturday, east to northeast winds 30 to 40 knots. Seas 9 to 16 feet. Saturday night, east winds 30 to 40 knots, becoming north 20 to 30 knots. Seas 9 to 15 feet. Sunday, north winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet. Sunday night, north winds 30 to 40 knots. Seas 11 to 19 feet. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. At 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of Tropical Storm Wanda was located near latitude 37.3 north, longitude 40.3 west. Wanda is moving toward the north near 9 miles per hour. A northward to north-northeastward motion should continue through early Thursday. An eastward motion at a slower forward speed is anticipated by late Thursday, followed by a faster southeastward motion by Thursday night. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles per hour with higher gusts. Little change in strength is expected over the next couple of days. tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 90 miles, primarily to the east of the center. The estimated minimum central pressure is 992 millibars, 29.30 inches. Elsewhere across the Atlantic basin, tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 5 days. The next 4 tides at Springmead Pier in Myrtle Beach will be a high tide at 6:36 a.m., a low tide at 12:55 p.m., a high tide at 6:49 p.m., and a low tide at 1:09 a.m. on Thursday. The next 4 tides at Winnipeg Bay Entrance South Jetty will be a high tide at 7:34 a.m., a low tide at 1:53 p.m., a high tide at 7:48 p.m., and a low tide at 2:04 a.m. on Thursday. The beach water temperature at Springmead Pier is not available. Here are the 3 a.m. observations. In Myrtle Beach, it was clear. The temperature was 52 degrees, the dew point was 45, giving a relative humidity of 77%. The wind was north at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.21 inches and rising. In North Myrtle Beach, it was clear. The temperature was 51 degrees, the dew point was 44, giving a relative humidity of 77%. The wind was north at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.20 inches and rising. Here are the weather conditions around the Carolinas. It was clear, with a temperature of 54 at Charleston, 52 at Florence, 51 at Wilmington, and 50 at Whiteville. At Columbia, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 54. It was fair, with a temperature of 50 at Conway, and 52 at Georgetown. The latest marine observations within the last 2 hours as of 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At Frying Pan Shoals Buoy, the wind was northeast at 17 knots. Water temperature was 78 degrees. Wave height 5 feet. Wave period 5 seconds. Swell height 2 feet. Swell period 12 seconds. At Sunset Beach near Shore Buoy, the wind was north at 16 knots. At Edisto Buoy, the wind was north at 10 knots. Water temperature was 75 degrees. Wave height 2 feet. Wave period 11 seconds. Swell height 2 feet. Swell period 11 seconds. Cooler air arrives tonight into Wednesday behind a dry cold front. Rain chances return Thursday through Saturday as a series of lows form offshore. Dry weather will return late this weekend as high pressure builds into the Carolinas. And now taking a look at the forecast for the Grand Strand and surrounding area. Issued at 3:12 a.m. Today, mostly sunny early, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the evening. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday night through Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs around 60. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Monday through Tuesday, clear. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 40s. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal waters.